name is Craig. My name is Monk. The Craig and Monk Show. Previously on Craig and Monk. Pardon me for not displaying the concluding Craig and Monk Show. Blah. Yes, pardon me. Today we will socialize about, I was just suggesting previously, the show will proceed. We will socialize about, let's see, Craig. Nerf guns. Sophisticated toys. Nerf firearm. Okay, present the Nerf firearm. Oh! Why, Craig? Why do you always perish? It's a Nerf gun. Nerf bullets are plastic. I'm not dead, you idiot. I'm not perished. Oh. Well, never mind Nerf guns. We will socialize about... Oh, crap. Craig. Okay, we will socialize about... Yes, Monk. Yes. Perishing immense agony. Yes, Monk. Yes. We will socialize about pandas. Pandas are tiny. Never mind. Pandas are poo. Pandas are deposits. Excuse me? That was Monk. You call me a douchebag? You balefully insult me by the calling of names? Specifically, douchebag? I am. Compliment. Shut up. Shut up, frivolous fool. Shut up. Oh. Shut up, frivolous fool. Let's see. Oh my god! Oh my god! Zombies! Zombies! Oh god! Oh god! Oh my god! This show is... Our salary is $1. You must... Our salary is $1. We are desolate, frivolous fools. Frivolous, desolate fools. Idiots. Oh my god. Panda. Ah! The Craig and Monk Show.